not just investing in technology, but also in the infrastructure and training needed to deploy these advanced systems effectively. From self-driving tanks to swarms of intelligent drones, the possibilities are both fascinating and frightening. These technologies promise to revolutionize warfare, making it more efficient but also raising ethical and moral questions about the future of combat.
This financial arms race is further fueled by private companies, which are increasingly becoming key players in the defense sector. These companies are not just suppliers, but active participants in the development of cutting-edge military technologies. Many of these private firms are at the forefront of AI and robotics research, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Their innovations are not only shaping the future of warfare, but also influencing global power dynamics. The lines between defense contractors and tech giants are blurring, creating a complex web of financial interests that further complicates the ethical debate surrounding autonomous weapons. As these entities collaborate and compete, the future of global security hangs in the balance, making this a truly $50 billion battlefield. The race for AI supremacy in defense is a global competition with no clear winner. Nations around the world are investing heavily in artificial intelligence to gain a strategic edge. The United States, with its vast military budget and technological prowess, is undoubtedly a frontrunner. The Pentagon has been integrating AI into various aspects of defense, from logistics to combat systems. China is rapidly catching up, pouring billions into AI research and development. The Chinese government has made AI a national priority, aiming to become the world leader in AI by 2030.
But it's not just about superpowers. Other nations like Russia, Israel, and the United Kingdom are also heavily invested in developing their own autonomous weapon systems. These countries are leveraging their unique technological capabilities to stay competitive. International military technology exhibitions and summits showcase the latest advancements, highlighting the global nature of this race.
The private sector is also a major player in this race. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are developing AI technologies that have both civilian and military applications. Their innovations are crucial for advancing AI capabilities. Engineers and researchers are working tirelessly in labs, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. These efforts are not limited to military applications but extend to various fields, including healthcare and transportation. This convergence of military and civilian research is further accelerating the development of autonomous weapons. Dual-use technologies are becoming more prevalent, blurring the lines between civilian and military innovations. Making the race even more complex and unpredictable, the rapid pace of technological advancements means that the landscape is constantly evolving. The future of warfare is being shaped by these developments, and the stakes have never been higher.